Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to find keywords on a page while you're browsing the web, because that's a feature that I think a lot of people don't utilize enough to quickly find the information that they are specifically looking for. So I brought you to this page on Wikipedia about cheese because I feel like a lot of people, except those who are lactose intolerant, really enjoy cheese, and maybe you're trying to get educated on cheese, so you want to find out what all happens here, and you want to find out if cheese is fermented like your friend Timmy was talking about the other day. So I can hit Control F, and in other browsers it'll bring down a little pull down at the top of the screen to find stuff on the page, or it'll show it at the bottom in the case of Firefox. And I'm going to type in ferment, and it'll tell me all of the different places where the word fermentation exists. So ferment shows up 6 times on this page, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, and I can use these arrows to go to all the different times fermentation appears to see if any of this information is the information that I am specifically looking for. Similarly, you can look up smoke or smoked cheese, and there's one match to smoke. I guess it says that wood smoke might be used as a flavoring agent, so that's also good to know. I do like a good smoked Gouda. What about the word rot? How many times does rot show up? Rot, because it's a part of the word protein, shows up 23 times. So sometimes when you're looking for different words, it's not super oh, excuse me. It's not super specific because it'll also flag stuff that's a part of a bigger word. So just keep that in mind. But you have some control options, but you do have an option to highlight all the different times that a certain word appears on the page. Like in this case, I can type in cheese, and now it'll show me in green the particular instance that I've chosen to look for. And in any of the other instances of this word will show up as pink. And you can change these colors and how they appear in the Firefox settings if you so choose. You can also set it to match the same case, so only lowercase will be looked for in the page. You can set it to match any of these other criteria as well, including whole words. So like if I was trying to find rot, but I don't want to just look for it inside of another word, I can set it to only look for just the word rot, not a part of a greater word, to help me satisfy like my need for just the situations where they talk about how rot is used to ferment food. So you have a lot of different options here in just one quick little search bar to look for the information that you're trying to find very quickly and very efficiently, so you can grab that info and move on with your day or your research project or whatever you need that info for. So until next time, I've been your host Larry. This has been a brief look at how to search for information on a web page with Control F, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.